Hello everyone, my name is Karthik from the A Maha Memory Training program. As a student, have you ever wondered, I wish I remembered all the chemical formulae, mathematical equations, physics definitions for your examination? Are you an accountant who crunches numbers on a day-to-day basis? Or are you a historian who has to remember historical events and dates on a regular basis? Or are you a lawyer who has to remember important case laws for your clients? Or you could just be a normal person who needs good memory for your day-to-day living. Then we have the right program for you. The A Maha Memory Training is a 30-hour program conducted by a team of experts with over 35 years of experience in this industry. Most importantly, students of this program have created Guinness World Records in recall of random objects and words. We have been conducting this program worldwide and we have received tremendous response, and that has encouraged us to schedule more events in the upcoming weeks. Maha means big in Asia, and by going through this program, we want you to achieve big things. Are you interested? Would you like to participate in one of our upcoming sessions? Check the description below and we have listed all our future events, and we would encourage you to register for one of our events. We look forward to seeing you during our session. All the best and thank you.